helping you plan your day. WOWT 6 is the weather authority.
And good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Cheryl Lemke. Well, today is certainly one of those days to keep the rain gear readily available and to certainly stay weather alert. Let's check on your hour-by-hour planner for your Sunday. We start things off at 10 o'clock, and already by 10 o'clock we start to see increasing clouds. The clouds are starting to fill in, and we could be dodging maybe a spotty shower or two. Most of the activity today, though, should be waiting until later this afternoon and tonight. Now, out ahead of our cold front, we'll be seeing temperatures warming up quite a bit today. Highs in the mid to upper 80s, and all that warm, muggy air, though, will certainly help to fuel some thunderstorms. By 4 o'clock, a few thunderstorms starting to pop up around Norfolk, Columbus, and the York area, but most of it, again, waiting until later on tonight as a strong cold front comes plowing through the area. We'll really see an explosive development of showers and storms. Unfortunately, some of these thunderstorms could be turning severe. We're certainly concerned with the possibility for large hail, damaging winds, and perhaps to some isolated tornadoes. So definitely Sunday evening, a very active weather pattern. We do expect some leftover showers and storms early for Monday morning, but then after that clearing out. And actually most of your Labor Day not looking too bad with partly cloudy skies. A pretty nice afternoon for some outside plans and looking pretty quiet for most of the week. Highs in the 80s, nighttime lows in the 60s. Enjoy your holiday weekend.